what's happening, and it doesn't even know that it doesn't know. We're all a tiny part in a nightmare shit show. We're all only animals in a very big circus, where very few people control everything. No matter if you're poor or rich, where you're born, the most of the human race feels they're torn. Not many can say, look at me, I feel free. However much you deny the truth goes on existing. Denial doesn't erase reality. Truth doesn't disappear when ignored. It only waits to be faced, can't you see? A lie doesn't deserve to be adored. He will win, who knows? If we all just would open our eyes, the truth is in front of our sight. Victory isn't always about power, it's about precision, and it's your decision. No, we're all only animals in a very big circus, where very few people control everything. No matter if you're poor or rich, where you're born, the most of the human race feels they're torn. Not many can say, look at me, I feel free. I feel like the ball in a pinball machine, getting pushed around, going nowhere. Or like a shopping cart in a supermarket, make a lot of people happy every day. But not one of them seems to see me, and yet they appear to be in deep misery. Can say, look at me, I feel free. Your life is yours, do with it what you will, but never blame others that you're standing still. Your life is yours, please never blame others. How it turns out, it's your responsibility, your privilege, so make yourself proud.